Hi. How are you all? All are fine? Good. Taking precautions? Nice. और अभी क्या है? अभी नवरात्र शुरू हो गए. And what we do in the नवरात्रास? क्या करते हैं? हम पूजा करते हैं. किसकी करते हैं? दुर्गा माँ की. और अभी तो हम रामलीला भी देखने नहीं जा सकते. क्यों नहीं जा सकते? Why we cannot go out? Due to Corona. Don't go out. Watch the Ramlila on TV. Okay. अभी दुर्गा पूजा भी आने वाली है. दुर्गा पूजा के लिए कई जगह पे स्टॉल्स लगेंगे. But if you are going out with your parents, wear the mask, wear the gloves. You should keep one sanitizer in your pocket and maintain the distance between two people. हमको distance maintain करना है यदि हम in case we are going out. Otherwise, so we should avoid to go out. Okay? So, let's come to the point. Our English class. Already we have revised this yesterday. कल किया था. Again one more time. Dog, dog, log, log, fog, fog, hog, hog, jog, jog, dot, dot, hot, hot, pot, pot, lot, lot, cot, cot, job, job, rub, rub, mop, mop, sob, sob, pop, pop, cop, cop, hop, hop, mop, mop. और आज हम ये न्यू वर्ड्स करेंगे. ऑक्स, ऑक्स वर्ड्स करेंगे आज. लेट्स डू. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज फॉक्स. Fox is a wild animal and fox is very clever animal. बहुत चालाक होती है. आपने चालाक लोमड़ी वाली स्टोरी सुनी थी? अंगूर खट्टे हैं, जम करती है नहीं आते, जम करती है नहीं आते. Then what she said? अंगूर तो sour हैं, इसलिए she left that. That is fox. Ox, 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 ox. Ox के before ox we will put fur. Fur, ox, fox. Fur, ox, fox. This is box. What we keep in the box? So many things. We keep our old notebooks and pack that. Sometimes we keep our important documents in that and tape that on the top. This is box. When we purchase the shoes from the market, और वो किसमें होती हैं? That is also in the box. और Amazon से जब आपका गिफ्ट आता है या कुछ भी चीज आती है, that also come in the box. This is called box. Ox, ox. Before ox we will put b. B, ox, box. And what is this? It's not a cow. It's a ox. Ox. Ox is male and cow is female. Okay? And ox. Ox is ox ही है. Already I have written ox here. Okay? Read it. Revise it. Again and again. But don't forget to revise एक ही sound. Okay? Till then, bye.